Hold this side, please!
Henry, stay close to Rose.
The tent is coming loose! Wait, where is Popcorn?
Isn't he on his blanket?
No, he's not here. Popcorn? I told him to stop. Maybe he thought we didn't want him here.
The ground is too soft. The stake won't hold.
Wow, the lake is huge! And the forest is so green.
This is a beautiful campsite.
Leaves! So many moving leaves!
They are moving because of the wind.
Then I shall catch the wind.
Henry, please pass me the long tent pole.
This one?
Yes, slide it through the sleeve.
Like this?
Exactly. Nice job.
The whole tent is my bed. Popcorn, come out of there.
Careful, Popcorn. We're still setting it up.
He almost knocked over the water bottle.
Everything is new to him.
The sun feels warm.
Yes, but the wind feels cooler now.
The water was calm before.
The wind is getting stronger. The forecast says there may be a storm tonight.
Tonight? I thought the weather would stay clear.
Weather can change quickly amid a lake.
I'll bring the lantern inside.
Thank you. I'll pack the food. The lake looks closer than before.
Water does not usually move closer without a reason.
This side looks okay.
Check the rope near the back corner.
The rain is getting heavier.
I'll bring Popcorn inside. Popcorn? What are you doing? Stop pulling the rope! I'm trying to hold it down! You might break the tent!
What happened?
Popcorn was playing with the tent rope.
Popcorn, please leave the ropes alone.
He may be nervous because of the thunder.
Come inside with me. You'll be safe.
But the ground is changing.
Popcorn, wait.
Where is he going? Popcorn, come back!
Popcorn!
Maybe he is under the picnic table.
I already checked there.
He still hasn't come back. He can't hear us in this wind. Maybe he doesn't like camping.
Why do you think that?
He kept getting into trouble. Then I told him to stop. Maybe he thought we didn't want him here.
Rose, you were trying to keep him safe.
This is not your fault. We'll look for him, but we must stay together.
Wait, look at the water.
It's coming under the tent.
Everyone, put on your raincoats. The ground is too soft. The stake won't hold.
What should we do?
Take only the emergency bag and the blankets.
Rose, stay beside me.
What about popcorn? Dad! The tent pole is bending! Move away from that side! Popcorn! You finally saw me! Come this way!
Popcorn? Where did you come from?
You came back! Keeps running towards the trail!
And he keeps looking back at us.
Look at the lake. The water has reached our campsite. The loose tent rope was on this side. That's why Popcorn was pulling it.
He noticed the danger before we did.
Popcorn wasn't playing with the rope. He was trying to warn us. Everyone, follow Popcorn. Stay close.
I can see the shelter!
Keep moving. We're almost there.
Is everyone okay?
I'm wet, but I'm okay.
Rose?
I'm okay. Popcorn is cold.
Wrap him in this towel.
Here is some water for him. Thank you. Popcorn, I thought you left us. I thought you were upset with me. But you were trying to help us. I'm sorry I didn't understand.
I would never leave my family in a storm.
Sometimes help does not look the way we expect.
The storm is gone.
And the air feels fresh.
Before we set up the tent again, what should we check?
The ground! The distance from the lake?
And the weather forecast.
Exactly. We'll choose higher, firmer ground.
Popcorn, do you want to help us check?
This time, I would like an official job title.
How about campsite safety cat?
Accepted.
Breakfast first, safety cat.
Our first camping trip was not quiet.
No, but we learned how to take care of one another. That agreement may require careful supervision.
Subscribe to Dr. Purr
And popcorn!
for more stories. See you next time.